Welcome back to our automation tips sessions. My name is Mansu Kim. I'm a CATIA automations consultant working at Imperaria Solutions. And today's content is about how to create the list and use it from the string. With some automation example I create. So let's look at some kind of a challenge first. I will open the case one. So in these examples, we'll introduce the automate when count is changing and middle transform in this case. So here we have some the string parameters. So when you add additional sorry, not string, the length parameters. When you add the length parameters, this automations is designed to increase the instantiate of power copy. So here's you have the output transform, and also in same time you will have the output of the classes. So basically we have some several script. So using manipulate with the three strings. For example, we have two strings. I mean two lengths. So the two lengths will become the increasing the count of the. So those are scriptings somewhere to managing this of it. But the problem here is we only if we have a more count than 3. If we expect from the start, maybe we can set like this, and you can manipulate with those fixed count. I mean this one, although this one can be done from the 0 count, and it will be updated like that. This will be fine. So 0, 2, 1, and 2 and 3. So all total the 4 different types you can manipulate this. But what if increase the count? So you will going to add this length parameter and more. But here's the idea. Instead of using the length, we wanna creating the strings, and the strings contain all the lengths together, and then that change it to list, and then you can use that list for your automation stuff. Okay, so let's look at the case I made. So in this case here, so instead of the many parameters length, so I creating the one string, and here how it designed it, you just put it comma here, and you can edit it here and click OK. Then this will recognize as a string and separating into a list, and the list inside, when you look, is changed to the length. So we can use this list for the next automation stuff. Okay, so what those are, how those are can manipulate. So this is the trigger for reaction when this string is changed. We can see here. So we can create a list from the string. Then this string is this one that you define, and we use the function split string with this with the separation is comma. So it will be recognize a comma and it will separate and can create a list with this one. After you created the list, then now you change this string list into a the real list, length list. So I put the string plus put millimeter together. After then, we can use the two dimension function. So this allows us to from string change it to a length. So it will be recognize the millimeter. And I put the string. I put this length into the I list here. In this case, so after finish all the creation, then finally we can define this list is so I list. So this transform height list will be updated when the string is changed. After then, you will going to learn some stop, delete, and instantiate the power copies accordingly. So that's how it works. Let's try again. We will have the. We can have the. We can add one more. So you see here the count will be changed, and we have the output here, and also we have the class output here. So when you look at the reactions, so after build the list again, and then what we are doing is we'll have some script here, delete and instantiate of the output. So we're going to delete this one, and we're going to delete this one, transform, and also we need to delete the curve here. So this is was the creating also automatically, and this one is creating automatically, and this one is creating automatically. So before we change the count, sometimes it will be removed or added. So for the cleanup, we're going to learn the delete the script. So once you delete by back order from the last to the up, so then it will not trigger to causing the updating error. So after you delete all by backward, after then you want to learn again the instantiations, instantiate the curve and instantiate the transform, and also the class using the input this curve. So this is the example how it works. Yeah, that's pretty much for today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know.